Hey guys, sorry about it. I'm probably gonna make part two for this video, this toy review, because my brother are making so many noise. So sorry about that. So let's start. Let me start talking on articulation for this figure. Hold on, let me get his phone ready. Now let's start the head. The head on this knee joint can go up that far and down this far. Can go swivel, and he have another neck joint, so he can go down that far, like he looking down to his chest right there. So he just push right there and like that. His arm right here is on a ratchet joint. Can go up, and soft ratchet joint can go up that far and go back that far. And ratchet joint he can go up that far and down like that. And the swivel right here. And pivot joint, his hand can go that far. Have no swivel joint. His hand can go swivel. He can open his hands like that. He have waist swivel, and you can put these panels of his crotch up like that, and he have 4 razor Newmans. He can go up that far and back that far. But this getting away. But if you untap the wheels, then he have like a little bit more back. Then he can bring his leg that back that far. And his leg is on a ratchet joint. Like he can go, so his leg can go that far, and his feet on swivel. He have a ratchet joint right there, and a knee joint. He can go up that like that if you want to break his legs, and up that far and up that far, and his feet is a little bit articulation, but this is for more transformation. So yeah, so you can give him an eye posability of it. So yeah. So let's start giving some his upgrade. So we can give him, like, he can hold any of his weapons is on his tools is on like a tab right here, and can put the slot right there, back right here, like if you can see right there, like that, and maybe tap him like that, and push this, bring the hand, and then he can hold it just fine. So he hold it just fine, so he's not gonna drop it anyway, like that. And switch his hand and do switch your hand, you can do like this, and like that. And there's a tab, and you get this, and there's a slot right here, and you put them right there. So he will give you a little repairing going on. and get this effect on it. Right there. And he can fix it, he can fix you up. So he can really do some nice repairing, like, oh, I'm gonna get something right here, right here, and right there, and to myself. No, actually I can't reach my fall that far, but yeah. So he can do that. So yeah. Get his weapon, take his doctor medic away. And you can use this well. Same to effect. I'm not gonna bring it up because we put it. There's just like a hole right here and this a port right here. Right there. It's tough to get in, but I don't want to force it down because I don't want to like actually break the thing because this is a knockoff, so something could have some issues. So here his thing. The thing I want, for me, I rather call it the tool he has from Transformer Anime. The what's the weapon called again? Eh, I imagine there's an MP generator. His thing from Transformer Anime. So I imagine this is the MP generator. So yeah, that's my MP generator, whatever. There, and he can hold his weapon. He can hold this G1 gun. Like so, like that, and now he can be more G1, be more then he can use that weapon. That and for the handgun. And he can use the missiles, this missile launcher. You just put them back, like there's a port right here. I mean a hole right here and a port there. So you can do anything you want. You can bring all the way that far, or do like this. So, or you want to give it the some soldier missiles like that. But it's Ratchet. He don't do fighting stuff that much. So I'm gonna give him some like more doctor-ish. So he can hold this weapon as well, which I right there, and this one as well. But these are pain in the ass to take off his hand. But yeah, I'm not gonna put them on because you know how these work, these tabs. So untab this, then put it here, and if you want to get him his tools, and like that, and in the face as well. You just take out this thing off and put a hole right here, going this hole right here. Now you would give him a smiley Ratchet, or like dirty smile Ratchet. This one, if this thing never get dirty, I'd rather use this one, but I want to keep the serious face on. Oops. So yeah, there's a lot of things you can do with this figure, and same to Einheit. But I think Ratchet have like less stuff on these rather, because Einheit got more stuff than Ratchet. because I think they should give him more of these things, like more switch hand things, because for Ratchet to actually do more in the show. So I hope they should give like more stuff with Ratchet. And for last thing, we should give him. I'll show you this. All you gotta do, tab this and put this right there, and put right here. And now he got a little beep on his. Now he got yourself a beep right there. That you can see right there. Or for me, I rather do like this, like this, and like that. This is how I display with Ratchet and give him the more contour accurate that I like to do. For me, what I display, well, Ratchet like a doctor, so I'll give him like more his medic doctorish. So I'll give him one of this. I think I like this one. And for transform animated, no, actually, I'm just gonna give one of these tools. Let me hold this. And bring this. And like that. And like that. So this is Ratchet. For I want to say, a ninth figure of this masterpiece. This is one of my first masterpieces. The second one was Wheeljack, and the third one was Shockwave. So I have enjoyed playing this figure more times. I like the transformation, like it goes smoothly and more longer transformation. I don't mind longer because when it's more longer, it makes more fun. And I like this. This is all the 3 masterpieces I have. I hope I get future with masterpiece. The only masterpiece I want to get is Grapple, Small Screen, Dinobot from Beast Wars, and probably Optimus Primal, and Soundwave, and some other one I want to get. But for now, I'm focused on getting Grapple and Small Screen, because those are my favorite characters in the G1 show. So yeah, for this figure, I give him his score like 10 out of 10. For this figure, be one of my great figures. And don't worry about Shockwave. I'm gonna review him very soon. So if this video get a little more subscribing and more like it, more comics. No, actually not comics. More views, more likes. I will totally review Shockwave very soon. So there is my masterpiece Shockwave. I mean masterpiece Ratchet. And very close looking at his glory. And Brandon on time Prime will say signing off.